So you guys, I got this bright idea, which I've been having this idea for a while. I want to take my front passenger seat out of the van. As you can see, I have all this stuff in here. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to take all this junk out the van. And I just want to have a look. I just got through looking from under the car. I got underneath. I just got through looking from under the car to see like what bolts or whatever are holding the seat in. And I really can't tell. So I'm gonna take everything out of the van so I can have a look-see and see what is holding the seat in. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, y'all, it's the guy across the street. He had what it takes to take this off. So the ones in the back, that's the kind of head that it has on it. You're gonna need that bit to take that off. And the other one had some kind of star. I would show you that, but he took the ones off in the front already and one off in the back. So let me see. So yeah, this is the kind of screw that was in front. That's how it looks. So that's what you're gonna need to get this out. So he did get everything out, so I'm about to pull the seat out. Let me show y'all how it looks. It's looking like it's gonna rain, y'all. I don't want it to rain though. Okay, there was some kind of wire connected to the bottom of the chair that I had to pull out. So I did have to pull this out. And these screws are still here. I don't know if I could hit them down or if I'm gonna have to get them sawed off or welded off or whatever. So this is how it's looking. Now I got room and more real estate to store stuff. I got something I want to bring in here. I'm gonna see if it will work for this area. So stay tuned. I'll be back. Uh-oh, I feel rain.